Hello there, welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly and today I'm doing a quick little video to answer a burning Cricut question. So my close to my heart peeps are always wondering why can't I find my close to my heart images and whether I've purchased them or not. So you're going to go to your canvas, click images. Once you get into images, you're going to click image sets. Then you're going to come up to the search bar and type close to my heart. Type it all the way out, close to my heart. Click the search feature and it will pull up all of the close to my heart collections that you have. You're going to see the name of the collection, and over on the right hand side you will either see the words purchased, subscribed, or a dollar amount. And so basically this helps you to figure out if you've purchased a collection or not, if that collection is still available to purchase, or if it's free in Cricut Access. So what happened when Close to My Heart did no longer had a Cricut affiliate contract? All of the Close to My Heart collections, after being 1 year old, became free in Cricut Access to Cricut Access members. And so some of those older collections, if you weren't able to get those or they were no longer for sale, became free if you're a Cricut Access member. So I even, because I was later to Close to My Heart, missed some of the early collections like Artistry and some of those. And so because I'm a Cricut Access member, I now am able to get those earlier collections that I wasn't able to buy. So let's just review again. You go to your image button when you're in your canvas, and then when you pull up the search feature, you go to image sets. Once you're in image sets, then you type out the words close to my heart, and that will pull those up. And then if there's a dollar amount, then you know that you are able to purchase that. So there are some collections with images that I use, and people are wondering, how to get those. So I hope that's helpful. Happy scrapping. Be sure to hit subscribe. Bye-bye.